Today we all are gathered over here to create a new history in Gachera School, and you all are gonna witness the most awaited day, that is CV Raman Quiz Competition. Honor to a great scientist who have paved the way from Newton's law to Einstein's theory. So, let us dive in the mystery of science. So, let us welcome with a huge round of applause our legendary team A. Aryabhatta, Usha 6B, Urvi 6B, Stage 7D. Now, Team B is Jagdish Chandra Bose, Vishal 7B, Sama 6E, Mahir 6D. Now, next team is Vikram Sarabhai, Ambar 6D, Karthik 6D, Arvi 6D. And the last team is Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, Aditya 6D, Yon 6D, Grati 6D.
Again, the most awaited competition, that is CV Raman Quiz Competition. With the CV Raman Quiz Competition with the first round, please. Energy from food. Options are A. Expiration, B. Respiration, C. Digestion, and D. Circulation.
Option C. Digestion.
Option C. Digestion. Can we lock the screen with option C? Can we lock?
Yes.
Sure?
Yes.
100% sure?
Yes.
So please lock the screen with option C. Is the Earth's primary source of energy? And the options are A. Geothermal energy, B. Solar energy, C. Nuclear energy, and D. Fossil fuel energy. Fossil fuel.
B. Solar energy.
B. Solar energy. Are you sure? Can we lock the screen?
Yes.
May we lock the screen with solar energy? The question is, what gas do we need for combustion to occur? Options are A. Carbon dioxide, B. Nitrogen, C. Hydrogen, and D. Oxygen. What gas? Answer is
D. Oxygen.
D. Oxygen. Are you sure about your answer?
Yes. Yes, ma'am.
Can we lock the screen?
Yes.
May we lock the screen? Now, the next question. What is the chemical symbol for oxygen? Options are A O, B O X, C HO2, and D is OZ. What is the chemical symbol for AO? Are you sure about your answer?
C.
One option please, the time is already running out. I want one answer. C. Are you sure about HO2?
Yes, ma'am.
Maybe lock the screen with HO2.
Yes, ma'am.
Maybe see the answer and a O. The smallest unit of light. Option are A atom, B molecule, C gene, and D cell.
Atom.
You are sure about the option A?
Yes, ma'am.
Maybe lock the screen.
Yes, ma'am.
Maybe see the answer please. And the right answer is cell. Which blood cells in our body helps to fight infections? Options are A. Red blood cells, B. Platelets, C. White blood cells, and D. Circulation.
White blood cells.
Are you sure about your answer?
Yes, ma'am.
Maybe lock the screen.
Yes, ma'am.
Maybe know the answer, please. And the right answer is white blood cells. Now, let's move ahead with the last question for the Jagdish Chandra Gosti. What is the center of our solar system? And the options are A. Mars, B. Sun, C. Moon, and D. Earth.
Sun.
Are you sure about the B option?
Yes, ma'am.
Maybe lock the screen for the B option. And the right answer is Sun. Riddle clarify me. Which planet is known as red planet? Options are A. Mars, B. Venus, C. Jupiter, and D. Saturn.
Option A, Mars.
Option A. Mars. Are you sure?
Yes.
Maybe lock the screen.
Yes.
Yes, and the right answer is Mars. Which gas is responsible for greenhouse effect on Earth? The options are A. Nitrogen, B. Oxygen, C. Methane, and D. Carbon dioxide.
B, carbon dioxide.
Option B. Carbon dioxide. Sure?
Yes.
100% sure?
Yes.
Maybe lock the screen.
Yes.
Maybe lock the screen with D. Carbon dioxide. Which force pulls object towards the center of the Earth? And the options are A. Friction, B. Magnetism, C. Gravity, and D. Tension.
C, gravity.
C. Gravity.
Yes.
You are already sure about your answer, na?
Yes.
Let's lock the screen with the C. Gravity answer. Now, the fourth question. What is the process of converting solid directly into vapor without passing through the liquid state? And the options are A. Condensation, B. Respiration, C. Sublimation, and D. Melting. What?
A, condensation.
A. Condensation?
Yes.
Are you sure you want to take time?
No.
A. Condensation, please lock the screen. Oh, the answer is C. Sublimation. No issue. Let's ahead with the fifth and very last question for Vikram Sarabhai. What is the main function of the respiratory system in humans? Option is pump blood, B. Exchange oxygen and carbon dioxide, C. Expiration, and D. Filter air.
Option B.
Option B. Exchange oxygen and carbon dioxide. Maybe lock the screen here. Maybe lock the screen. Yes, the right answer is exchange oxygen and carbon dioxide. the options are A. Gravitational pull of the moon, B. Gravitational pull of the sun, C. Earth rotation, and D. Wind pattern. Option A. Gravitational pull of the moon. Are you sure? Are you sure about the gravitational pull of the moon? Maybe lock the screen with the band. Substance on Earth.
Diamond.
Answer is?
Diamond.
You don't need the options?
No.
You are going to pick the D option.
Yes, diamond.
Diamond, short, maybe lock the screen. So, may we have the answer for this question, please? And right answer. Each of these animals is a cold-blooded vertebrate. And the option is A. Hamster, B. Owl, C. Fish, and D. Worm.
Option C, fish.
Option C, fish, short.
Yes.
May we lock the screen, please? And right answer is fish. What is the process of a caterpillar turning into a butterfly? Option A. Germination, B. Respiration, C. Metamorphosis, and D. Circulation. Running out, team, maybe here on the arm.
C, metamorphosis.
Are you sure about your answer?
Yes.
So maybe lock the screen, please. Yes, right answer is metamorphosis. What is the primary function of a skeleton system in the human body? And the options are A. Provide structure and support, B. Provide structure, C. Digest food, and D. Pump blood.
Provide structure and support.
You have to say the option A. Provide structure and support. Sure about the option A?
Yes.
Maybe lock the screen with provide structure and support. Is the right answer. Identify this figure. Good. Short.
Yes. Yes.
Maybe stop the watch over here.
Yes.
Maybe have the answer, please. And the answer is Fiborius root. You have given only root, but which root you have not mentioned. Which picture is this? Take your time.
Battery.
Battery?
Yes.
Short?
Yes.
Maybe lock the screen.
Yes.
Let's see the answer. And the right answer is battery! Identify the object.
International Space Station.
International Space Station. Are you sure about your answer?
Yes.
What's your answer? International?
Space Station.
Maybe lock the answer. And the answer is Space Station. Space Station is the right answer. Moving ahead with the T. Chandrabose and the picture is on the screen. Identify the picture. Saturn. Sure?
Yes.
On this screen, you have to identify the instrument. You have to give the name of the instrument. Which instrument is this?
MRI.
MRI. And the answer for this is MRI. Let's move ahead with the next question. Name the process which is going on the screen.
Sonography.
Sonography. Maybe lock the screen with the sonography. Maybe know the answer. And the right answer is sonography. Now let's move ahead with the Team Sarabhai. And the first image for the Team Sarabhai is on the screen. Which category is presented by this picture?
Rod.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Maybe lock the screen.
Yes.
Sure, 101% number.
Yes.
Lock the screen with the answer. Rod is the right answer. The next picture on the screen is Please.
Meteorite. Meteorite.
Meteorite. Meteorite is the right answer. The next picture on the screen. Identify the object which is there in the screen.
Pinhole camera.
Pinhole camera. Are you sure about the pinhole camera?
Yes.
Maybe lock the screen.
Yes.
Lock the screen with pinhole camera. Team APJ Abdul Kalam, and the first picture for the team APJ Abdul Kalam is on the screen now. Identify this picture.
Stethoscope.
Sure?
Yes.
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 And the answer is telescope. The next question. Identify the system which is found in our body.
Nervous system.
And may we have the answer? That is circulatory system. Now, next picture. You have to identify the picture which is on the screen.
Asteroid.
Asteroid. Sure?
Yes.
If we know the answer for this picture is comets. And after ending with the group F4 and the score for the second round. Let's begin with the third round, that is rapid fire round. Explaining the two effects of electric current.
Heating effect of electric current and magnetic effect of electric current.
Heating effect and magnetic effect is the right answer. Next question. Name the three types of blood vessels.
Veins, artery and capillary.
Veins, arteries and capillary is the right answer. Next question. Which gas is necessary while burning?
Carbon dioxide.
Carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide is is the wrong answer. Next question. What is the name of thin wire present inside the bulb that gives off light?
Filament.
Filament. Filament is the right answer. Let's go ahead with the next question. What is the name of muscular bag of chest cavity?
Diaphragm.
And the answer is diaphragm is the right answer. The first question is, what is the outmost layer of the earth called?
Lithosphere. Lithosphere.
Lithosphere. And the answer is, that is crust. Wrong answer. The next question, please. Who invented electric bulb?
Thomas Anderson.
Thomas Edison. And the answer is Thomas Edison is the right answer. And the next question, please. Which blood type is a rarest in humans? Which blood type is O positive? O positive is the answer. That is the AB negative. Wrong answer. Next question, please. Name the animal with the largest heart.
Octopus.
Octopus. Time up. That is blue whale. When present in the leaves called?
Fury.
Fury is the answer. No, it's the wrong answer. Next, please. Which burning wood converted into the ash? Which type of change is this?
Chemical change.
Chemical change is the answer. Right answer. Next question, please. Birds fly away due to the extreme cold in winter season. Can you explain which process is this?
Migration.
Which question? Yes, the answer. Right answer. Migration is the right answer. Next question, please. To separate husk from paddy plants, which process we can use?
Winnowing.
Winnowing is the answer. Wrong. The wrong answer. The next question, please. How many types of fruits are there in the plants? Two. Two is the answer. Yes, the right answer is two. Next question, please. Name of the substance due to which blood appears red.
Hemoglobin.
Hemoglobin is the right answer. Next question, please. Name the 5 sense organ of the human body.
Nose, skin, ear, eyes, tongue, taste.
Maybe know that eyes, ears, nose, skin, tongue. Right answer. The remaining is the next answer, please. Is plant biotic or abiotic component of environment? Answer is biotic. Biotic is the right answer. Yes, the right answer is biotic. Maybe know the next answer. What is the main function of dietary fiber in our body?
To digest food.
To digest food is the right answer. Help us to digest food is the right answer. Burberry causes due to the deficiency of which vitamin? Vitamin B. Vitamin B is the answer. Vitamin B1 is the wrong answer. Maybe ahead with the next question, please. Due to which substance clot is formed in blood? Due to which substance clot?
Time up.
And your time is up. Give a huge round of applause for all the teams. Well played. Fourth round, that is puzzles round. Which of the following is not a part of digestive system? And the options are mouth cavity, stomach, food pipe and windpipe. And the answer is
Windpipe.
windpipe. Windpipe, can we know the answer of? And the windpipe is the right answer. And the next question for the puzzle round. A is produced in A. Gallbladder, B. Blood, C. Smell and D. Liver.
Deliver.
D. Liver. Are you sure about your answer?
Yes.
Maybe know the answer, please. And the right answer is liver. The component of food absorbed in large intestine is A. Carbohydrates, B. Protein, C. Fats and D. Water. Do you know the answer for these questions?
Water.
Water. You are sure about the water?
Yes.
Maybe love this thing. Can we see the answer for? A option neem leaves, B respiration, C mulberry leaves and D tulsi leaves. Option C. Can we know the answer please? Option C is the The time goes to Ayama team. Can we know the answer for the
P37 Celsius.
P37 Celsius? Are you sure about your answer? Maybe log the screen with 30%. Question for the puzzle round. And the question is, the process by which heat comes from sun to the earth is A. Convection, B. Radiation, C. Evaporation and D. Condensation. So the opportunity goes to APJ Abdul Kalam team and may we know the answer please?
B radiation.
B. Radiation, are you sure Aditya? Maybe log the screen with the B. Radiation and it's the right answer, B. Radiation. Now, and the question is, 1 liter of water at 30 degrees Celsius is mixed with 1 liter of water at 50 degrees Celsius. The temperature of mixture will be A option more than 50 degrees Celsius but less than 80 degrees Celsius, B 20 degrees Celsius, C 80 degrees Celsius and D between 30 degrees Celsius to 50 degrees Celsius. So Kalam team, and the answer of
20 Celsius.
20 Celsius. Maybe log the screen with 20 Celsius. Oh, that is the wrong answer. The right answer is more than 50 degrees Celsius but less than 80 degrees Celsius. Let's move ahead with the 8th question. And the last question of the puzzle round. Expansion of the substances on heating depends on A. Nature of the substance, B. Rise in temperature, C. Both A and B and D. Color of the substance. And the opportunity goes to our team. And the answer for this question is
B rising temperature.
B. Rising temperature. Maybe log the screen with and the answer is both A and B. The wrong answer from Arifat team. With these, we have completed the puzzle round. Give a huge round of applause for the puzzle round. First question. the following in their increasing order.
First 1 kilometer, second 1 meter, or 1 centimeter, or 1 millimeter.
Do we know the answer, please?
No, wrong.
And the answer is 1 millimeter, 1 centimeter, 1 meter, 1 kilometer is the right wrong answer. Now, the next question for the Jagdish Chandra Bose. What is meant streamlined body? What is meant streamlined body?
Streamlined body means both sides are thin, then middle is thick.
Both sides are
Thin and middle is thick.
May we know the answer of these questions? Have the right answer. Well done. And the question is, hemoglobin is present in which blood cell? Hemoglobin is red blood cell. May we know the answer, please? And the red blood cell is the right answer. And we're coming up with the APJ Abdul Kalam team. And the question is, give any two examples of chemical change. Give any two examples of chemical change.
Burning of wood and roasting of iron.
Burning of wood and the rusting of iron is the right answer. Well done, well done, well done. Without wasting time, coming up ahead with the Aryabhat team for the next and last question for the passing round. And the question is, what is meant by evaporation? What is meant by evaporation? The time is stop. If you know the answer, you can say pass. Pass. Now we are coming as the Aryabhat team say pass. Are you know the answer? Jagdish Chandra Bose team. What is meant by evaporation?
Pass.
Time is up. The answer is pass to Vikram Sarabhai team. You know the answer?
Boiling water evaporating the air is called evaporation.
Boiling water, and maybe know the answer, please. Changing of water into water vapor is the answer. Is the wrong answer. What is meant by precipitation? Precipitation. Can you know the answer? Pass, pass. Then we come to Aryabhat team. Pass. Then Vikram Sarabhai. You know,
Falling water from cloud to the earth surface.
falling water from cloud to the earth surface. Can we know the answer? We are going ahead with your answer is falling water from the earth surface. And the coming ahead with the Vikram Sarabhai for the second question for the passing round. And the question is, what is meant by condensation? What is meant by condensation? Please take pass. And the question are coming ahead with the APJ Abdul Kalam team. You know the answer? Pass. Pass. Okay. Then the question will go to the Aryabhat team.
Water vapor change to the water.
Water vapor change to the water. Can we know the answer, please? Water vapor change becomes liquid is the right answer. What is mean by excretion? What is mean by excretion?
Waste come out from our body.
Waste come out of our body. May we know the answer? And the answer is removal of waste, and right answer is yes. We have total 2 teams with same points. So this is the situation which we call tie. This is called tie. Winner for the CV Raman. Quiz competition is 1, 2. Finally, the team who get the higher score, and the team is